Chapter 18th, Germany. Germany is an industrially and economically advanced country in the continent of Europe. After the Second World War, the country had been divided into West Germany and East Germany. However, on 3rd October 1990, it was reunited and the German Federal Republic came into existence. Location, extent, and boundaries. This country extends from 47 degrees 31 seconds north to 54 degrees 50 seconds north latitudes and from 5 degrees 50 seconds east to 15 degrees 5 seconds east longitudes. Physiography. In the northern part of this country, there is a vast plain formed by the alluvium brought by rivers. To its south is the central plateau region surrounded by numerous hills and mountains. A part of the Alps mountains appears along the southern boundary of the country. Zugspitze, 2,963 meters, in the Alps is the highest peak in the country. The Black Forest Mountain and Jura upland are located in the southwestern part. Climate. This country lies in temperate latitudes. As the northern and northwestern parts enjoy a coastal location, summers here are mild and winters are warm. In the eastern and the southern part of the country, winters are severe. The country receives rains throughout the year from the westerly winds. The rainfall decreases from the west to the east. The mean annual rainfall in the areas near the North Sea is 400 millimeters, whereas it is around 1000 millimeters in the mountainous areas of the Alps. Many times, the mountainous areas experience snowfall. Natural resources. Water resources. See Figure 5. The Ruhr, Rhine, Weser, Elbe, Danube, etc. are the major rivers in this country. These rivers have developed a fertile region. These rivers are mainly used for generation of hydroelectricity and for water transport. As the source region of the rivers experiences snowfall, these rivers are perennial. River Rhine has proved to be an important one for the transport of minerals found in the Black Forest Mountains. Forest resources. There are coniferous forests in the northern part of the country. The central part is largely a grassland with a few patches of deciduous forests. The Alps and Black Forest Mountains have dense coniferous forests of trees like spruce and silver fir. Animal resources. Forests in this area have animals like wild boars, wolves, bears, foxes, many kinds of deer, etc. Mineral resources. Germany is a leading producer of potash and coal. Coal reserves are found in the Rhine, Ruhr, and Dessau-Dresden regions. Potash and iron ore are found in the Rhine basin. The northern part of the country has reserves of natural gas. Occupation. Agriculture. Crops like wheat, sugar beet, rye, a variety of fruits and vegetables are cultivated in the northern fertile plain. Modern technology is employed in agriculture. Wheat, potato, oats are cultivated in the southeastern and southern parts of the country. This country is a leading producer of potato in the world. Animal husbandry as an allied activity is also practiced here with agriculture. See Figure 18.3. Fisheries. Fishery is practiced in the North Sea and the Baltic Sea. Mainly cod, herring and headfish are found here. See figure 18.3. Industries. In Germany, large-scale industrial development has taken place in iron steel production and electronic and engineering industry. Germany is a leading country. The country is famous for the production of microscopes, telescopes and cameras. See the industrial regions of Germany shown in figure 18.3. The iron and steel industry has flourished in the iron ore and coal mining region in the Rhine and Ruhr basins. Besides this, chemical and automobile industries have also developed in this region. In the Munich industrial region, there are automobile and machine tool industries. The Hamburg and Bremen industrial regions are famous for the shipbuilding industry. The Eberswalde industrial region near Berlin has machine tool industry and electrical equipment industry. Transport and communication. Germany has a dense network of roads and rail routes. 4-lane roads facilitating indirectional speedy traffic have been developed on a large scale. These are called autobahns. On these roads, vehicles are not allowed to take a turn. Express rail routes facilitate domestic connectivity and also connect Germany with the surrounding countries. In the plains, the Ruhr, Rhine, Weser, Oder and other rivers are connected by canals. These are used for internal, that is, domestic water transport. See figure 18.4. Hamburg and Bremen are the major ports in the country. There are international airports in the cities of Düsseldorf, Berlin, Bonn, Frankfurt, etc. Deutsche Lufthansa is a major company providing air transport service in the country. Trade. Germany is an industrially developed nation. Motor cars, chemicals, iron and steel products, cameras, telescopes, machines, etc. are exported from this country. Fuel, industrial raw materials and food products, etc. are imported. The country is engaged in large-scale trading, mainly with the other European countries. Tourism. The mountainous region in the country has a large number of tourist places. One can see a number of places of historical importance in cities like Berlin, Frankfurt, Munich, Hamburg, etc. The waterfall on the river Rhine and the boating there are the points of attraction for tourists. Human life. Of the total population, many are German or Danish. German is the main language. The diet of these people includes items prepared from potatoes, beet, carrots, cheese, chicken, etc. Football is a popular game. People like cycling, hiking and gymnastics. German people are disciplined, duty-conscious and have a scientific temperament. Major cities. Berlin. This city is situated along the banks of the river Spree. It is the capital of the country. The well-known Humboldt University is located in this city. The city has a number of historical monuments. Hamburg. It is located along the banks of the river Elbe. It is an excellent harbor opening out towards the North Sea. It is a major center of the shipbuilding industry. Munich. This is a famous industrial town of South Germany. This city, located along the banks of the rivers Isar is famous for handicrafts. The National Library at this place has more than 1 million books. Frankfurt. This is an industrial and historical city located along the banks of the river Main. It is a major port for domestic water transport. It has an international airport. Bonn. It was a capital of the earlier West Germany. It is an international center for railways, roadways and airways. It is a major educational and cultural center. The famous Bonn University is located at this place. Environmental problems and measures taken. The industrial regions of Rhine, Ruhr, Dessau, Dresden, Munich, etc. face problems of air, water and noise pollution. Similarly, the heavy traffic in the urban areas has led to problems of noise and air pollution. Germany has taken some measures to counter these environmental problems. It has introduced restrictions on carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide released through the burning of biofuels. It has also achieved remarkable success in the recycling of domestic garbage.